Do your kids struggle to stay engaged while learning colors? Dive into the vibrant world of sea creatures to make learning fun and effective. Many parents find it challenging to keep their children interested in educational activities. But what if coloring could be the key to unlocking their curiosity? In this video, we tackle the common problem of dull learning methods by introducing an exciting twist: coloring with sea creatures. Our journey begins with a simple setup: a coloring book filled with delightful sea creatures, each designed to teach a specific color. As we color, we'll explore the ocean's palette, from the deep blue of the whale to the bright orange of the clownfish. Throughout the video, we'll share easy techniques to help your child not only color within the lines, but also remember each color's name and its vibrant sea creature. By the end, your child will have a colorful masterpiece and a newfound love for learning colors. Say goodbye to boring lessons and hello to a sea of creativity.